Welcome to my next vlog, Seaman Troubleshooter vlogs. We had encountered trip off from a circuit breaker, ballast number 2, that goes burnout due to very strong current. Ballast number 2 used for trimming and stability of the vessel. Now I'm going to show the procedure how to replace circuit breaker in a live circuit bus bar. Welcome to my next vlog. Now I am at the ballast pump number 2. This circuit breaker shut off because I've encountered overload from the main switchboard circuit breaker that caused burnout. Based in my troubleshooting, all these control circuits are all working. This is our ballast pump number 2. This is our main switchboard circuit breaker. Open. This is the one circuit breaker that goes burnout. That's it. Burnout circuit breaker. Check first from the line side. Working. Next. Working. Next. It's working 440 volts power supply. Now from the load side, 398 volts. Oh, something wrong. Next. Oh, it's only 402 voltage. Something wrong. Next. Oh, 4.7 only. So this circuit breaker exactly, it's a single phase, working only with a single phase. Necessary to replace this circuit breaker. To proceed with the replacement from this circuit breaker main switchboard, need to block out to isolate from this line side. This is our bus tie panel board. This is our synchronizing panel board to proceed with the blackout from the main switchboard. So need to shut off this circuit breaker. Also this other side, generator number 3, need to shut off these two to proceed with the replacement of our circuit breaker, since it is a live circuit from the bus bar. It is necessary to de-energize first this air circuit breaker generator number 1, air circuit breaker generator number 2, and also this air circuit breaker generator number 2. But we receive a call from the office that we have already scheduled to go alongside. So I'm going to work with a live circuit. This kind of circuit breaker going to the main switchboard is a plug and pull. This is it. I'm going to remove the circuit breaker even if it is live, because need machinery that all working, because
we are going to about to birth, so we don't have any more time. To remove, we have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After, pull this breaker. First, remove this 1 screw. Next, the other 1 screw. Remaining 1 screw from upper side, and 1 screw from the lower side. So remaining 1 screw from upper side. The last screw. This is it. Remove already. Be live. It's a live circuit. This line is going to the bus bar. So that's the base. Bus bar, and this going to the load side. Ballast pump number 2. Now I'm going to get this Allen wrench bolt and transfer here. So remove this 3 Allen screw, transfer to the new circuit breaker. Connected now all the Allen screw. Check once again the load side voltage is 0, so it's normal. Next, 0, it's normal. Next, the last one, it's normal. Now ready to connect the new circuit breaker. Ready this 2 bolts. So these 4 bolts going to this mounting base. 4 bolts. So it's a plug and pull this circuit breaker. Replace now this new one. Inserted now the new circuit breaker to the mounting base. Tight the upper screw. Lower side is screw. The third one, and that's the last screw. That's it. Fitted now the new circuit breaker to this mounting base from the main switchboard. Ballast pump number 2. Final test now. Switch on. Test the load side voltage. Now this is normal. It's 440 volts. It's working now normally. Next one. Same. It's 449 volts. Last one. So it's 448 volts. The last one. Now it's confirmed. All line 1, line 2, line 3 are all working normally. Now I'm going to final test this circuit breaker from this ballast number 2 panel board. Now it looks normal. Final check. Working. Next. Working. Last one. So now all working. Line 1, line 2, line 3 have a voltage 440 voltage. So this ballast number 2 panel board ready in operation. So this our panel work, ready now in service. I hope you learn more from this channel. Thank you for watching.